Well, today this is something special. A 1977 Lotus Esprit S1, best known for being in the spotlight in James Bond's The Spy Who Loved Me. Of course, that was white. This is yellow. This is one of the best we've ever seen. And let's go for a ride. Okay, so here we are. Turn of the key. Fuel pump whir. It is our cold start because it really is cold, although we did bring it outside, so we did its cold start from inside. So we know it runs. We know it actually cold starts properly because it runs. But whatever the case, here we go. Starts right up. It's set up extremely well. We're going to warm it up. It has a great sound. We're going to go first to third gear to warm it up a little bit. Everything on the interior is working. We've just put a new steering rack in it. New tie rods. Lights work exceptionally well. Look at this. Boop, 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 boop. We will be right back to you. Okay, well, we are at operating temperatures. We're going to go through suburbia. I am going to say something I've said on various cars in the past, but when I say it, I really do mean it when it is the case. This Esprit is not the norm. First, it has been bored to 2.2 liter from 2 liters. It goes really well. It has been, and I mean this, dialed in as very few Esprits have, because you have to know the nuances of them. And this thing has had all the Lotus idiosyncrasies that cause trouble rectified, sorted, and certainly we were very happy to take it on trade. We took it on trade from a California client who had won a recent, actually best of show at a recent Lotus gathering, and after many years of ownership, it was time to change the Lodi in the garage, and this one is now looking for a new home. Everything works. Crazy. Again, just exceptionally well dialed in. Suspension, everything's restored, runs great, temperature's great, fans are working, lights are working. It is a go-kart with the best of them because it has been dialed in so well. So they're super fun to drive. Super fun to drive when they're in really excellent condition like this. We'll get to the farm road later and show you the fifth gear, which is exceptional for cruising because it really is an overdrive. But for now, we're going to take you on the sweeper road, and I love it.
Mr. Bondopoulos, please return the equipment intact this time.
I'm going to leave the window down over here because I want you to hear this glorious sound. I hope you enjoyed the flybys. Just an exceptional S1. And here's fifth gear for cruising. We're gonna do our normal farm road in a second on our way back to the homestead. But I'm sure everyone gets the gist. It is really, really, really a nice S1. So we're looking forward to giving this a good home. I don't really know what else I could say to it. Say to it. Hey, how you doing? Nice to see you. Nice to meet you. How you doing? Oh, I'm good. I'm good. So I might be losing my mind doing these videos, but this Lotus is awesome. So we'll be back here on the farm road in a minute, and you'll see. See? Listen to it. Purrs like a kitten. Okay, well, here we are on the farm road. And as you see, we've driven it pretty quickly, and it handles exceptionally well. Temps, pressures, everything's exceptional. Gearbox is exceptional. It's not a gearbox that you could actually shift quickly. It won't like that. And then you saw fifth gear is cruising, but let's drop it down a little bit to third and get on it. It is no slouch by any means. It's got really good brakes. And more than anything, it's just incredibly fun. This Lotus S1 has way more going for it than just about any other that I've ever owned or had. So thanks for watching. Thanks for coming on the road test. If you have any questions, you know where to find us. See ya.